Want to master the art of seamless edits and create captivating videos that grab attention? Today, we're diving into a crucial Capcut technique: inserting clips into a split. First, tap New Project and select the main video clip you'll be working with. This is the foundation of your edit, so choose wisely. Now, locate the exact point where you want to create the split. Drag the playhead, that's the white vertical line, to that precise spot in your video. Next, tap the split icon located in the editing toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This will divide your video into two separate clips at the playhead's position. See that? Your video is now neatly divided. This creates the perfect space for adding a new clip. Now tap the overlay icon at the bottom of the screen. This will allow us to bring in a new clip to sit right on top of the split we created. Choose the clip you want to insert from your media library and tap Add. This is the clip that will fill the gap we made with the split. Your selected clip will appear above the main video in the timeline. Adjust its length by dragging the edges to perfectly fit the split you created. This is where precision is key. Fine-tune the position and timing to ensure a smooth transition. Don't forget to adjust the volume of the overlay clip. Tap the clip, then find the volume option and adjust as needed. And there you have it, a perfectly inserted clip into a split. Now, export your masterpiece by tapping the arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Get creative and elevate your video editing game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials.